Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Dan, Warpaint JKU. This is Warpaint. Now, I'm based out of Texas. I have a lifetime of knowledge in the off-road industry, and the whole point in creating this channel is to show you guys how to build your own rigs, maybe save some money, all right? We all know that off-roading can be kind of expensive, but it doesn't have to be. Warpaint was built by me in this garage on 1-tons and 3-link long arms and all that other kind of good stuff, and it did not cost what you guys even remotely think it did, because I did it all myself with the help of some local junkyards. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that stuff. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that stuff, all right? And I'm gonna build vehicles in here. It's not always just gonna be Jeeps either. We're gonna build a ton of fun stuff, ton of different suspension systems, not the common stuff either, but maybe sometimes the common stuff, all right? And show you guys how to maintain your rig, all that kind of stuff, have some fun while doing it, wheeling content, all that good stuff. And with the eventual goal of being able to build these rigs and give them away to you guys, the subscribers, as a thank you for making the channel what it is. Until it gets that big, the giveaways are just gonna be a little smaller, all right? But there will still be giveaways. So subscribe to the channel. All you need is a Gmail account and you can make that happen, all right? And join me on this ride. So far, it's been great. Thank you for all the support. Make sure you get on over and follow the Instagram if you wanna more easier, send me a message, talk, ask me questions, things like that. We can interact over there. We got weekly videos going up over here, builds happening or being planned all the time. So come on and check it out.